I'm gonna tell it to you just like this. I've shown you absolutely everything that you need to know when it comes to building a high converting Shopify store. But if you are not taking advantage of the apps that I will be covering in today's video, you will simply not make any sales. I'm going to be showing you the apps that you need on your store that are going to help you from going from a couple sales or no sales at all to over $1,000 per day with your store. And I'm going to take it to another level because for one lucky person who smashes that like button below and comments in the comment section, I'm going to give you $500 cash so you can take full advantage of these apps and even have some more additional money so that you can start running your ads today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it.
What's going on, everyone? My name is AC Hampton and welcome to my channel. I'm an 8-figure marketer who gets to teach people from all over the world how to test, build, and scale profitable e-commerce brands. If you know who I am, thank you for always coming back and always showing love. If you're new here, welcome in and make sure you're prepared for some value that you're going to not want to miss out on a single second of. Now, before we hop into this video, each and every week I have the opportunity of giving out a free one-on-one consulting call to help one of you with anything that you may be needing help with to continue to streamline your success. If you want the chance to win this call, all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word app and your biggest takeaway from this video. I will be announcing last week's winner somewhere inside this video, so make sure you stay tuned the entire way through to see if it was you. Now, April is coming to an end, which means that the 10 spots that I opened for my one-on-one mentorship is now down to 4. So if you're looking to start getting the results that you're looking for, just like all my students right here, then make sure you head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word mentorship so I can help you get started. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, you all know how important it is to have a clean-cut layout of your store so that shoppers aren't immediately distracted from what they originally came there to do, which is purchasing something from you. You need to make sure that your store is showcasing simply 3 colors max. This consists of just white, black, and 1 accent color that is shown inside your logo. And you can check out all the other requirements of a clean Shopify store build and exactly how to do that in this video right here. But just as important as making your store look clean and professional is also making it as shopper friendly as possible. This helps with ensuring that you're convincing your customers to buy with no extra hassle or struggle on their end and maximize off of every customer that comes into your store. So let's go ahead and talk about the apps that you need in order to get that done. Now, the first and arguably one of the most important apps that you're going to want to have in your store is a multi-currency converter. A currency converter allows you to market your product to the top 5 countries that I always suggest, which is the United States, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, while allowing them to come directly to your store and see the price in their own currency. By having a custom currency converter on your store, you're not only making it as simple as possible for the customer to see the product costs in their currency, but you're also giving them no reason at all to question whether they should buy from you or from somebody else. I mean, literally just think about it. If you're shopping and going to a store and you see the price in euros while you're used to seeing and understanding US dollars, are you really going to sit there and do the math to translate the price? Are you going to find someone who is selling the product in your currency? We all know the answer to that question is yes. So do the work for your customers, have a custom currency converter downloaded to your store, and don't miss out on any of those purchases. And my favorite app for this is Best Currency Converter. You can see that it easily adds multiple currencies. You can automatically convert prices and ultimately start increasing those sales and getting that shmoney. The next app that you absolutely need to have on your store to make it as shopper friendly as possible is Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro. And basically it looks as simple as this. You can see on the bottom of the screen, basically whenever you're scrolling, it will still allow you to add a cart without having to go all the way back up to the top of the page. This app is not only key to allowing your customers to have easy access to adding a product to cart, but it also allows them to keep reading and looking at your pictures of your product until they get to the very bottom of your product page, where they're then offered complimentary upsell products that can help continue increase your average order value. Which then leads me to the next app that you absolutely need on your store, which is going to be more beneficial to you while making your store look professional, which is the Frequently Bought Together app. This app allows you to offer those complimentary upsells that continue to help you raise that average order value that you may have just been stuck at. So if it's like $25 you've been stuck at, this will help you 2, 3, 4x that. When you think about it, when you're buying online from literally anywhere, I mean, anytime that you go to checkout, these stores are going to offer you something that would go absolutely perfect with the product that you're buying, and many customers cannot resist it. And trust me, it doesn't just happen online, but it also happens in physical brick and mortar stores as well. When you're heading into the checkout line at Walmart with all your groceries, what do you see? You're surrounded by little pick-me-up items that you could use or eat instantly. Whether it's chapstick or a small bag of chips, customer eyes are always wondering, and it's important that you know exactly how to take full advantage of that. This is an app that I will never go without inside my store, and I suggest that you do the exact same. And here is a perfect example of this. So you see right here on this website, they are selling a pressure relief seat cushion, and as you scroll down, they're showing you all different types of items that complete your comfort setup. So now they're increasing their average order value from this back relief lumbar pillow, deep sleep pillow, pressure relief car seat cushion, and continuously upselling them with other items. Now, before we head into a couple more apps that you need to make sure that you have on your store that are going to create that high converting store and give you the results that you're looking for, you know that I'm here to help out in any way possible. If you have any questions about this video at all, or about how you can get started, or about literally anything e-commerce at all, make sure you head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word YouTube so I can reach out and help you out in any way. The value does not just stop right here with these YouTube videos. I'm also here to help you all succeed and answer any questions that you may be having every single day, so DM me YouTube if you're feeling stuck. Now, heading into the next app that you need to have downloaded to your store, this is going to be ultimately one of my favorite, which is going to be SMS Bump. Now, SMS Bump isn't something that you'll necessarily be seeing on the store, but it's more of a back-end app that you'll need downloaded that allows you to send text messages to your customers' phones and bring them running right back to your store. And I'm telling you right now, SMS Bump goes crazy. You can see just on this campaign alone, I spent $855 for a total return of $8,550 with the ROI of 9x. I mean, that's absolutely insane, isn't it? Think about it. People always have their phones on them and are constantly looking at them. So why not just take full advantage of that? SMS Bump allows you to set up automated responses that are triggered by certain actions that your customers did on your store, and then sending them text messages based off of that. So like, let's just say that a customer left something in your cart. You're able to set up a response that's triggered by anyone who left a product in their cart that can offer them a discount of your choice if they hurry back to your store and purchase. When creating these automated responses based on the actions of your customers, you also want to make sure that you have some sort of urgency happening with inside that message. So for example, if somebody left something inside their cart, I may have a triggered message that sends out 12 hours later that says, oh no, it looks like you left something in your cart. Hurry back and get your product for 15% off plus free shipping within the next 24 hours. By sending out a message similar to that, you're going to see your sales skyrocket. I literally promise you. And hint, hint, if you're looking for a deal from someplace that you're constantly shopping from yourself, just try it out and you will see that they're using the exact same tactics. Go add something to your cart and just leave it. I guarantee that they'll have a nice little incentive headed your way so that you can buy whatever you wanted on a discount. Go ahead and tap the link down in my description to try SMS Bump out for free until you get your first order. Now, the next app that we're going to be heading into that will be an absolute game changer on your Shopify store, and it's absolutely one of my favorites, is called Sweet Upsell. You can just blame it on my sales background from my previous jobs, but I'm all about selling all the way through the entire funnel. If you are not selling even after the customer has purchased from you, then you are doing something wrong. Sweet Upsell is an app that allows you to sell to your customer as soon as they make their original purchase. And it looks very similar to this. So you see how it says, wait, you have unlocked a special offer. Take 40% off any of the items below. It transforms your order confirmation page to continue to keep having these people purchase. Now, you may not see this on your Shopify App Store, but it integrates in less than 10 seconds on your store once you go ahead and download it and enter your store details. It's a little different than just the frequently bought together app that I mentioned earlier, because this app allows you to offer a complimentary product to the product that they've already bought at an even bigger discount. And how it works is as soon as they hit the buy now button for the product that you're already post selling them on, it automatically charges their credit card that they bought the original product from you with. There's absolutely no hassle for the customer in having to fill out all of their card information again, which may cause them to leave, and there's more money coming back into your store because of this exact reason. Now, the last and final app that's going to help you keep your store at the high performance that you want it to be at is called Lucky Orange. Lucky Orange is an app that, if you are just selling anything, is there to specifically help you. This app allows you to see live and past screen recordings of where your customers have left your store so that you're able to go into your store and make the adjustments as needed. Whether that be leaving as soon as they see the price or they're leaving at a certain feature or benefit, you're able to then point out consistencies that allow you to change whatever it is that you need to change in order to start giving your customers what they want so that you can start seeing those purchases rolling in. When it comes down to it, when you have a low conversion rate on your store, that means that something is not right on your product page. You can simply guess all that you want on what you need to fix, but it may never be the right thing. So how about we just do this? Take the guessing out of it, download Lucky Orange, and then know exactly where your drop off is happening today. All right, guys, we just went through the 6 apps that I will never run a store without, and the apps that you need to download on your Shopify store if you want to go from making no sales or very little sales to at least touching $1,000 a day on your online store. Now, of course, you have to have people come to your store first in order to put these apps to use. So make sure you go ahead and check out this video right here so that you can learn exactly how to do that and start your dropshipping career successfully. Don't forget that I'll be handing out $500 to someone that I see in my comment section who smashes that like button below to help you download the apps that you need and have more than enough money left over to help you run your ads and skyrocket your business. I hope that you got some valuable insight on how I'm able to bring in the sales that I do on a consistent basis, all while keeping a high customer conversion rate on every single one of my stores and all of my brands. And with that being said, do not forget that I'll be dropping the top 10 winning products that you need to be selling in May 2022 next Friday. So make sure you're subscribed down below, have your notifications turned on so you do not miss out on any of these products that I'm going to be dropping. Hey, and do not think that I forgot about the free consulting call winner from last week's video. And the free consulting call winner from last week's video is Carlos Gomez. Carlos, congratulations on winning. Go ahead and reach out to me on my Instagram at AC_Hampton. We can hop on a one-on-one call, look over your product research, look over your Shopify store, and get you in the best possible position to start getting the results that you deserve. And if you want the opportunity of winning this free one-on-one consulting call next week, all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word apps and your biggest takeaway from this video. I cannot wait to continue to keep creating this generational wealth with each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys all next week. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it.